With a look at Fetch. All right, the last video we did about 3 days ago, we called a bottom in here. Okay, this thing did a nice pullback here. Let me show you where it came to. If we take it off the whole move here, all right, this thing came right down to a 618 Fibonacci. Boom, right there. Okay, that's what you want to see. Beautiful move down. All right, a corrective move, ABC structure, and looks like a bottom. All right, we talked about that bottom coming in and a move up. Well, we're getting that move up now. All right, I'm going to show you here where this thing is headed. I got in a long on Fetch on this breakout, and I posted over in Discord. If you're interested in that, guys, level 3 membership, go check it out. You get a bunch of videos, teach how to do this stuff, and get you a link to our Discord so you can start getting some of these trade alerts. All right, now let's go over here. I do want to show you a couple things before we dig in here. Okay, over on especially Bitcoin. All right, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Looks like Caspa is ready to have a breakout here. Also watching that, posted that in Discord. This could end up being a really nice move up to about looks like the 13-cent region here. All right, so if you long and short, go check that out there. It could end up being a decent move. Bitcoin ended up breaking this resistance here. I'm going to show you right over here. Let's put this on a 4-hour. Let's, if you're wondering what these are, these blocks, these are fair value gaps. All right, we're going to take a look here. Let's get the fair value gaps off there, and you can see clearly a break of this white line. That was a resistance line, a breakout and a retest going on here. Want to see it hold this area. Okay, if you come out on a weekly chart, you can see that this is a very massive support area. Okay, huge support area, if you want to put it that way. Right here you can see all these closing candles, closing candle, closing candle, over here closing candle, and a closing candle. So this blue line here, you definitely want to see it hold that right about what is that, right around the 63,000. Okay, you don't want to see it really lose much more than that into the 62s. All right, like to see it hold that 63. I think that is a major support area. If you look down at the bottom down there, the RSI, that weekly is almost totally reset. All right, so Bitcoin's getting prepared to make its next move up to 80,000 pretty soon. You got the weekly down there almost at the bottom. It is at the bottom, but it's not bullish yet. All right, you got your daily 87 and a 77. It's still bullish, and you can see that breakout of that white line right there. All right, you want to see it bounce here, start to bounce. Okay, it could be a big wave 1, 2 starting here. We'll see what happens. Want to see it hold that area. All right, come back over here to Fetch. All right, let's zoom in here. Got some stuff going in on the smaller time frame area. All right, on the 4-hour, we had this breakout of this resistance here, this white line. We had this big wedge forming here. All right, the measured move for this thing would be up right about $3.50, called $3.50. All right, that's the measured move of this wedge. You take the width of the wedge, all right, you put it on the breakout, and that's 9 out of 10 times that's what you get. All right, is this going to end up being a double top in here? You can see this top resistance right. Let's put a line there, right here. All right, we're going to keep an eye on that. That's right around that 347 area. Right around the area we're looking for a target for this break. Okay, now let's move this out of here. Number one, let's put a price label up here, so I like to know where I'm at when I come back to these videos. All right, let's put a price label up here. We're looking for a break somewhere up in that area. Okay, now if we come in on an hourly, is what I'm watching here. Okay, we had a you break this down, break it down, and break it down. You can see what's happened on the smaller time frames. All right, you had this support level coming up here, right up here, broke support. Okay, now you have a looks like a corrective structure coming in here, more than likely an ABC. All right, if you're not familiar with Elliott waves, look into that level 3 membership, guys. Well worth your money. I'm telling you, for 15 bucks, this, the knowledge you get in there, you definitely want to to start applying that to your trading and to your overall outlook of the market. You know, I teach how to look for price targets, everything there. You have 5 waves up here. After 5 waves, you usually have an ABC structure. Not usually, you do. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is a bounce back up to this 618 around $2.45. If we put a fib on here, all right, that's 618. That's what I'm riding this long up to right now. All right, back up to the 618, and then an ABC would pull us right back down to retest the breakout down here, about 225, 226. All right, this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, I look at charts every single day in my life. That's what I do a lot. Okay, hours and hours and hours on these things. So what you do, you take your top of your A wave, put it on top of your B, and that gives you a C wave target here. All right, whoops. Let me get this down here a little bit. We're actually down about here. Trying to get this as perfect as I can for you. All right, so the 618 is going to be down just a tad. Let's measure this out. All right, AB, pull it down on top, right about there. 223, 224. What that's going to do is it's going to retest the breakout, okay, and then we should get a bounce from there. So you'll have an A, a B, back up to the 618 right up here, and then a C wave down. That's what I am looking for personally. Okay, everybody's got their own opinions, own views, own charts. All right, so that's what I'm watching. If it gets rejected at around 245 and starts rolling over, look for a C leg to come in down here around 223, 224, 225, right around in that area. All right, what that would do is that would give us a retest of the breakout. Okay, something like let me show you here. I love this these steps. These are perfect for explaining stuff here. Here we go. All right, you get your break up right here. You get a retest of that breakout to retest it now as a support area, and then you get your break up. Okay, that'll be a wave 1, 2. This will be a third wave here, fourth wave. Not exactly. Whoops, sorry about that. Not exactly sure where it's going to head to here, but we're looking for that that big break here up to, what was that, 350. All right, so this third wave could end up being pretty significant. That's normally your biggest wave in the move. You know, and then a fifth wave up here. Ignore these waves down here. They shouldn't even be there. Okay, you have 5 wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're looking for a target eventually up towards this 350. But watch for this ABC to come in, a bounce off of the outside of the wedge, and this thing should really start picking up steam. All right, we got the 4-hour rolling over. We have the bigger time frames. The 12-hour is bearish now. The daily still heading up. You got your weekly. Look at this. The weekly still coming down, 14 and a 20. All right, you have, what do we got? 6 days and 6 hours left here, and that thing should be totally reset. As far as the 5-day goes, the 5-day is bullish, and your 3-day is also bullish. Okay, so like I said, watch for a retest of this wedge. ABC structure. We're going to put a price label right down here, right around 225. Okay, that's what I am looking for if we get the rejection off of 245. 245 should be a rejection area. That's a 618 Fibonacci area, and we should have a C leg down. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe. Sign up as a member. We have over 200 members, almost 5,000 subs, and growing. Thank you so much to the members. I love you guys. You're the best. I'll see you in Discord. Have a great day, everybody.